Hello everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to talk to you about bathroom fan troubleshooting. The first step is to remove the cover plate for your fan. Do that by pulling up and squeezing these two wires together. To remove the plate. After the plate's removed, you can see here that this is your motor for your fan, and it just plugs into a regular outlet. A lot of times what I'll do is I'll unplug this here and plug in a lamp to it or something where I can see if it's drawing power through this. If you're drawing power through this, we know that we have a good connection all the way back to the switch and the box. If you don't have power from the outlet to the switch or the box, you want to go ahead and check your connections in your fan box, and then also make sure that your switch is accurate too. If you have good power all the way to that point, next thing we're going to do is actually pull out the motor itself. After you have the motor out, you want to see if the fan blade is spinning freely. If it is, you know it's well lubricated and not rusted together. If your fan blade is not spinning freely, what you'll do is right on the back side, there's your bearings. You'll take your lubricating oil, and if you see here, there's a little slit for your bearings. You'll take your lubricating oil and put some in there and move that fan around, and then you'll apply a little bit more. That way you can get your bearings nice and oiled. Next thing you'll check is make sure that your blade, when it's spinning, isn't hitting anything inside the box. You can do that by looking around the blade to see if there's any wear marks where it's been rubbing against anything like metal or something like that. So there'll just be some wear marks around the blade itself. If that's good, you might have a problem with your motor. What you'll do is you can actually buy these motors individually at any home improvement store. Then you'll just replace the motor, put your plate back, plug it back in, and see if it works. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and we just discussed bathroom ceiling fans troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with this project.